Graphic designing. What is this graphic design? It includes, when you think of graphic design, do you think of artistic advertisements? So what is graphic design exactly? Listening these graphic design examples is a good start, but it doesn't paint the full picture. According to American Institute of Graphic Arts AIGA, graphic design is defined as the art in practice of planning and projecting ideas and experiences with visual and textual content. In other terms, graphic design communicates certain ideas or messages in a visual way. It takes graphical and textual elements and implements them into multiple types of medias. It can be used by companies to promote and sell products, through advertising, by websites to convey complicated information in a digestible way, through infographics, or by businesses to develop an identity through branding, among other things. Graphic design basics include color, form, line, shape, size, space, and texture. And its principles include balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, proportion, and rhythm. What are the types of graphic designing? Some of the most notable modern day graphic design examples stem from advancements in technology. Here's a glimpse of some of these types of graphic designing. Website design. It involves creating engaging and intuitive web pages for users. This includes the overall layout, color scheme, and navigation. User experience UX design is focused on ensuring a website or application is easy and satisfying to use. These designers emphasize value, usability, adaptability, and desirability. Motion graphics design or animation brings visual elements to life through special effects, TV shows, video games, and movies. Common graphic design jobs. What do a graphic designer do? With technological advancements introducing new types of graphic design, there has also been an emergence of new graphic for design jobs. Demand for traditional graphic designers who work primarily for print publishers has fallen substantially, but that doesn't tell the whole story. The job titles include graphic designer, user experience designer, web designer, art director, and creative director.